तो वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है आप सब अच्छे होंगे और अपनी स्टडी को जारी रखे होंगे। तो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज वीडियो लेक्चर नंबर 46, सेम चैप्टर 12, एरियाज रिलेटेड टू सर्कल्स, एंड इन दिस series of lectures we have exercise 12.3 and question number 7. Question is written here with diagrams. So without any delay we start this question. First you have books, open your books and read question properly. Okay students, so here we have a square ABCD, which side of square is 14 centimeter. ABCD square, of side 14 centimeter, and students ABCD are four centers of four circles drawn. Find the area shaded region. We have circles of having center A, B, C, D, and these circles are put together, that their circumferences touch each other, and we have to find the area of this shaded region. So students, if we saw the diagram, after analysis this diagram we have that this side AB is 14 centimeter. So radius for each of the circle is 7 centimeter. Okay students, so this is 7 centimeter and this also 7 centimeter. Each radius for circles is 7 centimeter. So okay students, so we have a square and four circles. Now question arises, how can we find the area of shaded portion? So first of all students, we should find the area of a square. Okay, and these are four quadrants. If we find area of a square and we subtract the area of four quadrants from the area of a square, then we get area of shaded portion. So okay students, you know, in square each angle is of 90 degree. Each angle is of 90 degree. And students, these are nothing but quadrants. So there are two ways to find area of quadrants. We can use formula here to find area of quadrant, that is pi r square upon 4. This formula can be used, and this formula comes from area of sector. You know, area of sector is equal to pi r square theta upon 360. You know, pi square and here theta is 90 degree. So we can write 94 ja directly pi r square upon 4. So this is the area of quadrant. Quadrant means quadrant is also a type of sector. Means each quadrant of a circle is a sector having angle 90 degree. So okay students, now we start solving. First, area of square of side 14 centimeter. Now side square, it means 12 square, that is 144 centimeter square. Now students, areas of four quadrants of circles is equal to 4 into multiplied by pi r square upon 4. You know students, this is nothing but area of one quadrant, but here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants, and 4 quadrants consist of circle. 4 quadrants make a circle. 4 cancel out, so we can write here pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 7 square. Students, here you know clearly side of square is 14 centimeter, but radius of each circle is 7 centimeter. So 22 upon 7 multiplied by 7 into 7, 7 cancel out, 154 centimeter the area of quadrant. Okay students, now students finally we can write thus area of shaded portion या shaded part is equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. That is, you can write here area of square is 144. Students, there is correction. Side is 14 centimeters. Students, here side is 7 7 14. So 14 square, that is 196 centimeter square. So students, don't worry, there is correction and it was corrected. Now pi r square, pi 7 radius and 7 7 cancel out. Now area of square is 196 and minus area of quadrant, 4 quadrant is 154. So your answer will be 42 centimeter square. Okay students, so students, there was a correction and I have corrected it. Okay, so now write this solution. So now students, we have another questions of 12.3. So students, in this question we have a diagram where AB, CD are two diameters. We have a circle where AB and CD are two diameters perpendicular to each other at center O. It means here there is 90 degree. Okay students, and OA is 7 centimeter. OA is 7 centimeter, means radius of big circle is equal to 7 centimeter and radius of small circle is equal to 7/2 centimeter. Students, if here we have OA 7 centimeter, so we have to find the area of shaded region. So it means if OA, or we can write here from figure OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to 7 centimeter. So radius of small circle is 7/2 centimeter. Okay students, now we have to find area of shaded portion. So the area of this portion is very simple to find using pi r square, because this is circle. But here these are two segments. So students, we have two ways to find area of segments. Number one, we can use formula directly for area of segments, or first of all we find area of this quadrant, then area of this triangle, and to find area of this segment we subtract area of triangle from area of quadrant. Okay, so there are two ways students. You may select any one ways to find. So students, first of all area of small circle is equal to pi r square, where radius of a small circle is 7/2. This is 7, therefore radius is 7/2 whole square for a small circle. Okay, so now you can write here 22/7 multiplied by 7/2 and again 7/2. 7 cancel out, 2 11 7 77 upon 2 centimeter square. So students, this can also be written as at 38.5 centimeter square. Okay students, so first write this part of this area of this part. Now we have two quadrants and students we have two segments. So first of all we will find area of a quadrant is equal to 1/4 pi r square, where 1/4 and pi is 22/7 and radius 7 whole square. Because suppose here कैपिटल R यूज करिए, हम यहाँ पे कैपिटल R यूज करेंगे एंड कैपिटल R इज दिस बट स्मॉल r इज हियर. तो स्मॉल r इज 7/2 बट कैपिटल R विल रिमेन 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, so now for this area of quadrant 1/4 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by 7 into 7, 1/4 pi r square. 7 cancel out. Now students, 2 2 4, 2 11 22. It becomes 11 7 77 and downside 2. That is 38.5 centimeter. So students, this is the area of quadrant. So okay students, we need to write these datas in a box. Area of a small circle, area of a small circle is equal to 38.5 centimeter square. And students, similarly area of first quadrant, area of a quadrant is equal to also 38.5 centimeter square. तो ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टिल आप इसको नोट करें, नोट डाउन, पॉज इट एंड देन वी विल सॉल्व फर्दर. So students, now before solving we have area of this small circle and area of this quadrant. Now we need to area of triangle. To find area of triangle BOC is equal to 1/2 into base into height. So for this triangle, base will remain OC and height OB. OC into OB, and you know both OC and OB are 7 centimeter each. So now 49/2, that is 24.5 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle. Okay students, now area of a segment, area of a segment is equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle. So, okay students, and area of quadrant is given here 38.5 centimeter and minus area of this triangle is 24.5 centimeter and subtract it 0. It means 14 centimeter square is the area of one segment. Okay. Thus, area of two segments is equal to 2 multiplied by 14, that is 28 centimeter square. Students, here we have had area of two segments. The area of these two segments is 28 centimeter and area of this small circle is 38.5 centimeter. So, students, we need to find area of sided portion. So, we will add this area with that segment's area. So, finally, students, write this. So, okay. Now, students, finally we have thus area of shaded region is equal to area of small circle plus area of two segments. Students, this may be equal to area of small circle is here 38.5 plus area of two segments is 28. Add these 0.5, 66.5 centimeter square. I think, students, this is your answer. The answer is the area of a shaded region from this diagram. So, write down, students. So, now, students, we have another question number 10. Okay. So, in this question, students, we have a triangle ABC. ABC is an equilateral triangle. आप जानते हैं, students, if any triangle is equilateral, then its each angle will be 60 degree. तो ये आपका 60 degree each. So, with this ABCD equilateral triangle, we have three circles whose centers are A, B and C, and radius of each circle is equal to half of the length of side. So, radius means this is the midpoint, radius is half of AB, half of BC and half of CA, because all sides are equal. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, so all sides are equal, and we have area of this triangle is 1732.0.5 centimeter square, and we have to use pi 3.14 and root 3 is given here. So, first of all, students, here we know that we have to find area of shaded part या shaded region. Okay, this is the shaded region. So, here, students, we have area of triangle, and now if we find area of sector, these are three sectors. Okay, students. So, if we subtract area of three sectors from the area of triangle ABC, then we get area of shaded portion. So, here first of all we should find radius. Here radius is unknown. So, with the help of area of triangle, we will find radius of these circles, and we have theta, and after getting radius, we will find area of three sectors. So, here, students, we have area of triangle which is equilateral is equal to 1732.0.5 centimeter square. Now, formula root 3 upon 4 into side square is equal to 1732.0.5. Okay. Now, students, doing cross multiplication, we get side square is equal to 4 into 1732.0.5 upon root 3. So, now, students, 4 multiplied by 1732.0.5 upon, here we will put the value of root 3, 1.73205. So, students, now we will eliminate decimal. 4 multiplied by 173,205 upon 17.3205, or here we have eliminated only one decimal, one place of decimal. Now we can write 4 multiplied by 173,205 and 1234, 4 zeros in numerator because there is denominator, and in denominator 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digit decimal is there. So now finally we have eliminated decimal to 173,205. Now finally 4 multiplied by, students, 173,205 and 173,205, both number are same. So after division we can write directly 10,000. Okay. Thus side of triangle is equal to under root 4 multiplied by 10,000. Finally it becomes 2 into 100, that is 200 centimeter. The square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of 10,000 is 100. Now 100 into 2, that is 200 centimeter square. So write down this. So students, here we have side of triangle 200 centimeter. So radius is equal to 200 upon 2, which is equal to 100 centimeter. This is the radius of triangle. Okay. Now we have to find area of sector. Area of 3 sectors is equal to 3 multiplied by pi r square theta upon 360. 3 multiplied by, using pi, the value of pi is 3.14. Radius is here 100 centimeter, and theta is 60 degree. Theta is here 60 degree upon 360. 66 ja 3 2 ja, it can be written as 3.14 multiplied by 10,000 upon 2. Here we can write 3.14 multiplied by 5,000, and after multiplying I think 15700 centimeter square. This is the area of 3 sectors. Now finally write down this. So thus students, finally area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of 3 sectors. Okay, and we have area of triangle is 17,320.5 minus, now area of 3 sectors 15700. So now students, subtract it and find your answer. Here we have 17,320.5 and subtract it. So students, after subtracting we get 1620.5 and centimeter square. Students, so this is the answer, the area of this shaded portion. So I hope students you have understood it, and these are the important questions. I have solved it, and now we will solve some more questions in next video lecture. Till then, keep solving, watch complete video, and this video I hope you will watch completely without to avoid any confusion. Okay students, so till then take care of yourself, and thanks.